Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to create lists on X. Okay, so first of all, let's open X application on your device, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, and in the side menu you want to tap section lists, and let's tap new list icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. That looks like this. And now finally you can create your list. So first of all, you can upload photo to your list. So from gallery you can select specific image. Also you can set specific position of the photo like this. Then of course you can give a name to your list. Let's name it somehow. Optional, but you can add your description to your list, and also you can decide if you want your list to be private or public. If you switch this on, then your list will be private, and if you turn this off, then your list will be public and everyone can see it on your profile. So let's tap create button. And now in this step you can add members to your list. So you can add them by tapping this add button next to each profile. Or also you can use the search bar at the very top of your screen to find specific accounts that you want to add. Just start typing username and you will see some specific accounts. Okay, and finally when you're done, you want to tap done button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and this is your list. You can find it, for example, if you are in your feed, you want to tap your profile picture and go to lists section, and under the tab that's called your lists you will see all of your lists. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.